Hubei Huifu Nanomaterial Co Limited. With the green revolution of turning waste into value, redefining a new paradigm for nanomaterials manufacturing to achieve large-scale production of 3 core products. Fumed silica has an annual output of 40,000 tons, making it the world's largest single production base. Has established a fully autonomous research and development and innovation system, thus enables Huifu Nanomaterial to fully master the preparation and deprocessing technologies of fumed nanomaterial powders, driving leapfrog development across the industry, helping the HIFULL grow into a world-renowned brand. Huifu Nanomaterial is not just about transforming products, it's about creating the future.